In this video, I'll show you how to open Facebook Business Manager step by step. Facebook Business Manager, now managed through Meta Business Suite, lets you manage your Facebook pages, ad accounts, Instagram accounts, and business assets from one dashboard. First, open your web browser and go to Meta Business Suite. Sign in with the Facebook account that manages your business. After logging in, you'll be taken to your business dashboard. If you manage more than one business, click the business selector at the top of the screen and choose the correct business portfolio. To access Business Manager settings, click Settings or Business Settings from the left menu. Here, you can manage your Facebook pages, ad accounts, Instagram accounts, pixels, payment methods, and team members. You can also open Ads Manager to create and manage advertising campaigns, check insights to monitor performance, and use the Content section to create and schedule posts. If you can't access Business Manager, make sure you're signed in with the correct Facebook account and that you have permission to manage the business. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching.